In Creo Parametric 7.0, multiple bodies are supported in Sheetmetal design. In this case, we start with a construction body extracted from a master model part that represents the space claim for the final Sheetmetal bracket. This body, as well as the copied body that will become the Sheetmetal bracket, so far still reside in a regular geometry part. You can now convert a selected single basic solid body to a Sheetmetal body, identified by a body icon colored in green. In addition to the body conversion, the entire part is converted to a Sheetmetal part during this operation. Now, Sheetmetal specific commands such as edge rip, join, or edge bend can be used to further design the Sheetmetal body. As a quick intermediate test whether the Sheetmetal geometry still respects the maximum space claim defined by the original construction body, we could use Boolean operations to subtract the construction body from the Sheetmetal bracket body. For the test to be successful, this operation needs to entirely consume the geometry, and the remaining volume of the Sheetmetal body should be 0. Note that in addition to the Model tab, there is a Sheetmetal tab. New and existing commands dedicated to interacting with Sheetmetal and solid bodies are provided in the Sheetmetal tab and the Model tab respectively. Use the tools from the Sheetmetal tab to further refine the Sheetmetal bracket design. To best represent this distinction, some tools had been refined or added, such as the Extruded Cut tool. A multi-body part in the Sheetmetal environment can contain a single body of the category Sheetmetal and optionally multiple bodies of the category Basic Solid. That means you can work with a Sheetmetal body in the context of other regular geometry bodies. These can represent construction bodies as illustrated so far, or be regular bodies of type Basic Solid. They can be created within the Sheetmetal part design environment or inserted using data sharing features such as external copy geometry. The external copy geometry tool offers a follow surface option. Select the follow surface checkbox so that inserted bodies follow the bend and unbend operations on the Sheetmetal body. Unfold and flatten operations only apply to the geometry in the Sheetmetal body. Use the Boolean operation subtract to subtract geometry of the selected basic solid body from the Sheetmetal body. Using multibody, it is easier and there's more flexibility when designing Sheetmetal parts in the design context. This reduces complexity by avoiding external or circular referencing, and you have the freedom to define space claim in a master model and detail out the derived parts.